everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing great today. Before I get started with this video, I wanted to tell you what lip I have on. I get that question a lot, either on an Instagram or here on my videos. I am using a product by the company Ilia, which is a clean makeup brand. This is their Beauty Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. I really like it. It's very emollient on my lips, and it's in the color Saint, if you can see there. Spelled just how Saint is spelled, S-A-I-N-T. And I really like it. It's like a dark peachy color. And when I'm going for a more like bronzy or natural look like I have today, I like to reach for this. I probably will purchase the full size. I got this in a little like double lip kit with the color Tahiti, which is more of a pinkish tone. I got it in the area of Sephora, where I call the area of doom, because they all have the little sample sizes. And I really wanted to try this because I love like an emollient lip or a lip gloss that works really nice. And I like this color. I don't have a lot of like a nudish tone lipstick or gloss, so I've been enjoying that a lot, and I probably will purchase the full size when I'm done with that. Okay, let's get on to what this video is about. Every month I look forward to getting a beauty subscription box called Boxycharm. Now, I'm not affiliated with them, but I will try to find their link and link it down below for you. I think it's a fabulous value. You pay like $24.99 every month, and you get a bunch of full-size beauty or skincare products. You take like a quiz when you go onto the website, and it tells them like what you like more. Like if you like eyeshadow palettes, you'll get an eyeshadow palette every month. If you like skincare too, they'll send you skincare. And they, like, I believe, ask you like what type of skin you have, like if you have dry, oily, normal, combination, and such. And it comes with a little card, and this is the June's Boxycharm, and they give it like a little theme, and this is Dare to Dazzle. Very cute. And I like the back because it gives you details about each product. They also have a Snapchat and Instagram, and I believe they have a YouTube channel too. And yeah, so let's get started. I've added up the total of each product, and I have seen what's in the box. So I'm going to show you now and tell you what the retail price is. And just with the first thing I'm going to show you, you got a deal already. The first thing is the Give Them Lala, which I've never heard of this brand, but it is Give Them Lala Beauty. That is the box it came in. And this is a beautiful eye palette. The eyeshadows are really nice size. I've not tried anything here, so this isn't a review, it's just kind of showing you. And it's a hard cardboard, which I don't mind. And Give Me Lala Beauty on the top. This sort of has like a marbled effect, but the top is white, like they stopped the marble there, which that was kind of weird, but you know, it's just packaging. And inside you get a mirror on this side, and on this side you have really large panned brown tones. I would use every shadow here except this one, because it's a little too much of a reddish brown for me, but I might try maybe a little bit, or use it for like a blush, but make sure that I really like blend it. Very, very nice. Let me just swatch like the top three. This is called Stepmom. That's really good pigmentation. This is called The Wife. It's nice. And then this one, Boss Lady. It's sort of a reddish tone brown, but it's not as red as the middle one. I mean, that's like full-on red. And I'm gonna make sure I get a finger that's not swatched. And that's Boss Lady. Goes on, or it looks more like orange in the camera. Yeah, and on my finger too, it's more of an orangey color. And it has a mixture. These four actually are matte, which is good. And then these 3 look a shimmer, these 4, this one, this one, this one, this one, and possibly the bridal party. Let me swatch that. That's like more of a matte. It just looks like it has a little shimmer in there. So it's got a good amount of mattes and shimmers, which I like, and I'll let you know, or maybe I'll do a video with a look. If you want to see a look with this palette, just let me know down below. Let me get my little wipe. Thought I was all prepared, but you never know. And the retail price for that is $42. So you've already saved money with that product. And with a palette that size, with such big panned shadows, if you like it, it will last a long time. It's a really nice one. I like it. Okay, let's see what else I can show you in here. The next is something that I probably will save. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm like 830 something. So be on the lookout for that. If you watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because then you'll be on the list, and I will have a cutoff day and I will announce it and such, but I have to get to 1,000 before I do that. And what it will be is will be some products, and then it'll be a gift card to either Sephora or Ulta, whatever you choose. But this is by Glam Glow, and I do like this company. I have a leave-in like night sleeping mask that I really like, but the reason I wouldn't use this one is it's a clearing cream to foam cleanser with charcoal, which is really for somebody that has oily skin, and I don't have oily skin per se. So you know, I might get a little oily like here. I should probably powder it a little bit, and a little bit like in the T-zone, but I don't have oily all over, so I will put that to the side. But just to tell you, that's the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser, and the retail price for this bottle is $32. Okay, next item are 2 facial masks. There are some people that don't like the sheet masks. I love them. I think it's a tactile thing. Like, some people don't like the way they feel, because they're usually quite like, they feel kind of like jelly, but I love the way they make my skin feel, and they're very relaxing. These are by the company Vitamin Skews. It's a sustainable company, which is great for the environment. And I got 2 of them, and let's see what the card says. These are the Nourish Flower Nectar Biodegradable, which is great, Mask and Glowy Juice Berry Biodegradable Masks, and these are $18, and I don't know if they're $18 each or together, they don't say, but still, you know, you total all this up, which I will, and you'll see how much you get. All right, next is another palette, which I was surprised, is usually they sent me only one, but this is a different type of palette. This is the Glowdience Makeup Palette by Touch and Soul. I've used that brand before and I like it. They have nice products. And it is the Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette, and it is a new launch, and it's $34. So you open it up, and it comes in a really pretty package, which has like gold on the back. It's plastic. It's a hard plastic, but I don't mind that. I think that's really pretty here. It says Glowdient Makeup Palette. It's 0.35 ounces, but I never really check with these type of facial palettes. It has a mirror, which I won't show you because it glares, and that's really a pretty highlight palette. I would just take a brush and go through the whole thing. In fact, I'll take my finger and just go like that, and look at, wow. I mean, it might be even a little too glowy for me. I'll have to go at it with a light hand. But that is very pretty. And a lot of times if I get palettes that are a little too glowy for me and I don't realize it, I will use them like on my eyes for part of my eyeshadow look. Very pretty. And I think I already said the price for this was $34. I was out of camera. And then I think I just have one more product. Yes, This I was happy to see. I always love getting a NARS product. NARS is a really nice brand too that's been around for such a long time. This is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and these really were popular back maybe 5-6 years ago on YouTube. It seemed like every big YouTuber that I watched was getting them. Now for a matte pencil, these are not where they don't make my lips feel like parched or anything. I really like these a lot. And this is what it looks like. And this is in the color Dragon, where is it? Dragon Girl. You can see that. Comes in a pencil, and these are sharpenable. Is that a word, sharpenable? And I'll do a little swatch for you. Color's really, really pretty. On the camera, no, it is. It's like a pinky red. So that's like a blue red, which is right up my alley. I love reds like this. And this retail price is $27 for this. So you have all these nice products that you received. You paid $24.99, and the total for this month was $153 value. So I really like this Boxycharm. Even though there was one product that I won't use, it'll go to somebody that will like it, hopefully. And there was plenty of products that I did like. I will let you know in other videos how much I like them, or if I really did. And check out Boxycharm. Like I said, no affiliation. I think their website is just www.boxycharm.com, but I'll try to remember to put it down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're doing well and that you're having a great weekend. I'm doing this video, it's about 9 o'clock on Saturday, and I'm having a great weekend with my family, and I hope that you're doing well too. I hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day you're watching this. Stay well. Bye-bye.